If this video found you, it is a synchronicity. Okay, it's not a coincidence. Your spirit guides brought this to you because there's something on your mind that they want to talk about. Now, I want to let you know that I channel messages from angels and spirit guides. So what I'm going to tell you is not always what we want to hear, but it's definitely what we need to hear. So take a second, take a deep breath, and we're going to just trust the message that comes out for us today. Okay. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And just relax into this, okay?
I'm lay down my head. Let's do this. On my head.
Okay. Temperance came out. And for those of you who are familiar with the traditional tarot deck, there's a big angel on that card. Okay, temperance has to do with balance. We're having a hard time balancing something. Oh, and I'm seeing Sagittarius on this card also, so I feel like this is going to come. This is gonna like the big shebang is gonna come for this in Sagittarius season. That's enough. Sagittarius season is right around Christmas time, like December, end of November into December. And I'm hearing that we've been balancing a lot. Like we've been like 1 foot's in the door, 1 foot's out. We're not committed to something. We've been teetering back and forth. We're balancing. And Spirit's saying it's getting ready to come to an end. Like we're going to have to make a decision, and it's going to just be, it's coming to full fruition. Okay. Let's get some more energy. Let's get some more energy in this reading. Oh, okay, I'm hearing the ocean. I'm hearing ocean waves. So I feel like a lot of you guys have either booked a vacation or are thinking about booking a vacation, and this is to the ocean. Now, why is Spirit bringing this up? And I feel like it's going to be around Christmas time because I heard Sagittarius. So either we're going to be booking the trip in December or we're going to be planning a trip around December. Either one. But I feel like this is going to be a huge, huge energetic upgrade. Like something about this trip. You're going to go on this trip and you're just going to be so relaxed and so zen. Yes. That you're going to get so much energy. Like you're going to get a lot of downloads. And the downloads were always there. Angels have always been there waiting to talk to you and give you this message. But it's just the fact that you're going to be so open to receiving messages that Spirit's going to take the opportunity. I'm seeing the King of Cups. Interesting. The King of Cups. What are you telling me? I'm seeing 3. So 3 can be significant for this trip or for your life in general.
I got smell.
You don't eat the rind. You don't eat the rind. Let me see. Okay. You want me to open this for you? Okay. Yeah, I mean, we have Temperance, which is, about the sea. I'm picking up energy. And then we have the King of Cups. It's like, and cups it's about water. I mean, this is a Scorpio card. It's about water. There's so much emphasis and energy surrounding water. My son just came up and gave me an orange for him to peel. And I think it's funny because I'm talking about like going to the ocean, and the orange is sticking out to me and it makes me think of Florida. I think a lot of you, Florida is going to be like where you're going. It's interesting because I'm going to be going there too. But yeah, like there's something there for you. And I don't know if it's like a person you're going to end up meeting or if it's just the Zen energy is really what you've been needing in your life. But there's going to be a lot of Zen happening. And because of that shift of energy, you're going to be super receptive to what Spirit has been trying to tell you. And so just be ready for all these downloads to come. You might want to take a journal or, take your phone. You can do like a voice recording whenever these intuitive insights hit you. But I would definitely like carry a journal around, or just you need to be journaling this because you don't want to forget what Spirit's going to be telling you. Something about this is like very, very significant. So they're going to either be like ideas that are going to come to you or intuitive guidance for someone else. You're just going to be a channel. That's what I just heard. You're going to be like a telephone, and Spirit's going to be picking up that phone, and they are going to be busy. So you need to be ready for that. It's not going to make you tired. It's going to make you feel revitalized. Like it's going spirit energy is just so high vibe that whenever you're tuned in and connected to it, you're just going to feel so amazing, okay? So this is not going to, don't think of it as like a job. It's going to revitalize you. Look, the Ace of Cups with the Fool came out, okay? 2 cards that indicate new beginnings. These are really hard to see because they're so like, you know, they're so shiny. Yeah, this is my Halloween deck that I got from the Halloween store. I'm always looking for a new tarot deck. So I had to get this when I saw it. But, yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. This card, look at there. It says Giant Whale. Giant whale. And here I am talking about going to the ocean, and then there's a card that says giant whale. But yeah, you know, when I think of whales, I don't think that's a coincidence that I've noticed that. When I think of whales are so intuitive. I think they're telepathic with anyone who can pick up on the energy, with each other, and also with humans if you can pick up on it. Yeah, I just feel like, not to mention, whales are blue. You guys, the 5 of Cups came out. And look, there's an ocean on it, and the mermaid is right there. Okay, this is interesting. Like, there's so much energy around the ocean in your reading. It's interesting. Like, and this is not a beach deck. This is a Halloween deck. Like, there cannot be that many cards that have these references to the ocean on them. But there's just so much energy around the ocean. You know what? I think when you're there on this vacation, you need to go meditate by the ocean also. Like, sit on the beach, listen to the ocean, and you're going to get just, wow, I don't know what it is, but it's going to be profound. I will tell you that. Whatever is going to come to you on this trip, it will be profound. Profound. It's going to be life-changing. It's going to be a spiritual awakening. It's going to be different for all of you, but wow. The 3 of Cups. More water energy, right? Cups. But the 3 of Cups, this is just, we're going to be getting a lot of the answers that we've been looking for. And we're going to be like having all this like spiritual fulfillment, spiritual and emotional, because this has been a long time coming. This has been something that we've been waiting for. I'm not really getting a lot of information other than just something about the ocean. So I feel like for those of you, like there's a lot of you that's just what you needed to hear. Like that's exactly what you needed to hear. And that's like the end of this reading for those of you. But yeah, I'm seeing, okay, so we have 3 cards that just came out, and it's the Ace of Wands. Okay, the Ace of Wands came out. So that's another ace in your reading, right? I said aces are about new beginnings, okay? And then the Star came out, and that's telling me that with this information that comes to you, you need to share it with others. Okay, this is the card for Aquarius, which also, not to mention, that could be the time that you're going to be on this trip, because Aquarius season is the end of January into February, right? So perhaps you book it in December, but you're going to be going around that time. But yeah, the Star is the sign for Aquarius, which is the water bearer, which it's like we get this knowledge and we share it. We get the water and we share it, like a pitcher of water. This knowledge is going to come to you. You're the pitcher, but you're not meant to hold it all for yourself. You're supposed to share it and fill everyone else's cup up with this spiritual knowledge. So you could be some kind of like spiritual teacher. You're very grounded though. I'm seeing the 9 of Pentacles, which is Frankenstein in this card. But yeah, you're very grounded. And this, even though you're by water, you're going to be very grounded in the earth. This is, just wait. Yeah, I'm saying just wait, because look, the Hangman just came out too. Just wait. It's going to be so healing, so revitalizing. I can't wait. You're going to be helping people going through something really intense, because I'm also seeing the 3 of Swords. The 3 of Swords. It's an alien on this card, but I'm also seeing the 5 of Swords with it. Ooh, yeah. You're going to be helping people that are struggling mentally, emotionally, okay, with their thoughts. Wow. You're probably watching this, and I'm telling you, you're probably a spiritual teacher. Either you know that or not. You probably have a huge message to share with others, and I think it's great. I think it's great. Okay? Let me know if this resonates in the comments, and make sure to follow me, because there could be a reading that's meant to find you.